Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Pink Razor E100 is probably one of the most sought-after electric scooters for its blend of style, performance, and user-friendliness, making it a top contender for anyone looking to navigate urban environments with ease and a touch of flair. This scooter is designed to offer a smooth and efficient ride, whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a leisurely cruise around town, all while providing a comfortable experience for riders of various skill levels. Number 5. Razer E100 E125 E150 Electric Scooter Battery Charger. This charger is specifically designed for your Razer E100, E125, and E150 electric scooters. It features a 3-prong inline connector for a secure fit. Rest assured, this charger is UL listed and built with short circuit and over-voltage protection. It ensures a safe and reliable charging experience every time. The LED indicator light makes it easy to monitor charging progress. A red light means it's charging, while a green light indicates a full charge or that it's not currently charging. Please note that this charger is intended for lead-acid batteries only. It's compatible with specific Razer scooter models. If the LED shows green and no charging occurs, your battery might be the issue, especially if it's old or unused. You can test the charger with another device or your battery with another charger. If you have any questions or concerns about this charger or your scooter's battery, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to assist you. What we like. This charger is UL approved for safety and features an LED indicator to show charging status. If you have a lead-acid battery for your Razer E100, E125, or E150 scooter and need a reliable replacement charger, this is the one for you. It's designed specifically for those models, ensuring a proper fit and charge. What people say. Works great on my E100 scooter. This electric scooter charger is compact, reliable, and easy to use. It features a standard 42V output, perfect for most 36V lithium-ion battery scooters. The LED indicator is handy, red while charging and green when fully charged, making it simple to monitor battery status. It stays cool during operation and has built-in safety features like overcharge and short-circuit protection. Charges well and fit great with Razer brand scooter. Definitely a great value and super easy to use. Number 4. Razer Junior Folding Kiddie Kick Scooter. Introducing the Razer Junior Folding Kiddie Kick Scooter. Its 3-wheel design offers superior stability, making it perfect for young riders just starting out. Built with a robust combination of high-quality steel, aluminum, and plastic, this scooter is made to last through countless adventures. Thanks to its clever folding mechanism, you can easily store it away compactly or take it with you wherever you go. Enjoy a secure and comfortable ride with its wide, slip-resistant deck, smooth urethane wheels, and soft foam handles that are easy to grip. Getting started is a breeze. This scooter is designed for quick and simple assembly, so the fun can begin right away. What we like. With its 3-wheel design, this scooter offers superior stability, making it perfect for young or beginner riders. The folding mechanism allows for easy storage and transport. If you're looking for a safe, stable, and convenient scooter for a child just starting out, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The only assembly was snapping in the steering arm into the base, no tools required. The base is made out of plastic, but has a metal frame underneath, making it very sturdy. I have even ridden on it briefly, 160 pounds, with no harm to the scooter. The 2 wheels at the rear make the scooter stable while still requiring some balance and maneuvering skills by the child. I like that there are fenders over the rear wheels, to keep little feet from inadvertently catching on them. Number 3. Razer Huntsman V2 TKL Quartz Pink Gaming Keyboard. Experience lightning-fast response with our latest optical switches, now quieter and more precise than ever. Enjoy reduced input latency thanks to an incredible 8,000 Hz polling rate. These keycaps are built to last, resisting shine and wear over time. The legends are molded in, ensuring they will never fade, no matter how much you play. Connect effortlessly with the detachable Type-C cable. It's perfect for LAN parties and tournaments, with a secure latch to keep it connected during intense gaming sessions. Game for longer without discomfort. This ergonomic wrist rest provides perfect support, aligning with the keyboard to reduce pressure and fatigue. Keep your favorite profiles and macros ready to go. Save up to 5 onboard profiles and build a library in the cloud for easy access anytime, anywhere. Enjoy a cleaner sound profile. A layer of sound dampening foam is integrated within the casing to absorb unwanted noises when keys are bottomed out. What we like. Experience lightning fast response times with its Gen 2 linear optical switches and an 8000 Hz polling rate. The durable PBT keycaps ensure longevity and a premium feel. If you're a gamer who demands the lowest input latency and a keyboard that can withstand intense use, this is the ultimate upgrade. What people say. The switches feel great and are very quiet and responsive. The keycaps are extremely high quality and the top plate is metal, so the keyboard is solid. It also comes with a very comfortable wrist rest. This keyboard allows control of profiles and the lighting right on the keyboard with the FN combination keys. You can set up several profiles on device memory and have one profile with gaming mode and typing mode with an added debounce delay so you don't mistype with the linear keys. The build quality, RGB, and keycaps are superb. The double-shot PBT keycaps make it feel premium and like it will last a long time. The linear optical mechanical switches when typing are not too loud and are very satisfying to the ears that I like, since I don't like that loud sounds of clicky switches. Number 2. Razer E100 Scooter 24V Controller Module. Ensure your Razer scooter is running at its best with this essential 24V controller module. It's designed to provide reliable performance for your electric ride. This control module is specifically designed for select Razer scooter models, including the E100, E125, E150, and E175, ensuring a perfect fit and function. Please verify your scooter's version number, typically found on the barcode ID. This controller is compatible with specific versions, so checking is crucial for proper operation. Be aware that this part is not compatible with certain Razer models like the Black Label E100 or Power Core E100. Always double-check your scooter specifications. Remember, these scooters require a push start. Give it a good push and twist the throttle simultaneously to engage the motor. Ensure wiring is correct before installation. Featuring 7 connectors, including a 4-wire throttle connector, this module is built for efficient power management and responsive control. What we like. This 24V controller is specifically designed for certain versions of the Razer E100, E125, E150, and E175 scooters. It features 7 connectors, including a 4-pin throttle. If your scooter is a later version and you need a replacement controller, ensure you check your scooter's version number before purchasing to guarantee compatibility. What people say. Excellent producto y muy bien repuesto para mi padinito y poderla utilizar para mis mandados. Easy to install and fit nicely. Number 1. Razer Black Label E90 Electric Scooter. Introducing the Razer Black Label E90, featuring our innovative Power Core technology. It delivers a high-torque, maintenance-free hub motor for an exciting ride. Experience thrilling speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, the fastest in its class. This scooter offers an exhilarating ride for young adventurers. Riding is simple and intuitive with the thumb-activated throttle for acceleration and a foot-activated rear fender brake for quick, safe stops. Enjoy extended fun with a rechargeable 12V battery that provides up to 40 minutes of continuous ride time on a single charge. Its rear-wheel drive design enhances traction and steering, ensuring a stable and secure ride for riders aged 8 and up. Safety is paramount, and its electrical system is certified compliant with UL 2272 standards for your peace of mind. What we like. This scooter boasts an innovative Power Core hub motor for a high-torque, maintenance-free ride, reaching speeds up to 10 miles per hour. It offers up to 40 minutes of ride time on a single charge. If you're looking for a powerful and fun electric scooter for kids aged 8 and up that offers a great balance of speed and duration, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Great for anyone graduating from the manual Razer. This Black Label is very similar, except it electric. A nice simple not too fast scooter. Keep in mind you need to roll it manually first before it will take power. It's got good speed and is very sturdy though. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.